In this video, we'll see the advanced conversation behavior settings. We're currently inside our AI agent. From the left-hand navigation menu, we'll go to the Settings tab and then open the Behavior tab. Here, we have the advanced settings. I'll expand this section, and we'll take a look at each of the available settings one by one. The first setting under Advanced Settings is Group Channel Response Mode. Group Channel Response Mode determines how the AI agent behaves in group channels such as Slack or Teams. If set to Always, the AI agent will automatically respond to user messages in the channel. Alternatively, you can set this to Only when mentioned. In this mode, the AI agent will respond only when it is explicitly mentioned by a user in the channel. The next setting is Enable Multi-User Mode. When enabled, multiple users can interact with Enjo in the same thread, and the AI agent will maintain context across the conversation. By default, only one user can engage with Enjo in a thread. As soon as another user joins the conversation, the thread is treated as escalated to a human agent. Next, we have the Enable Multi-User Mode only for bot-initiated chats setting. When enabled, multiple users can engage with Enjo only in threads started by the bot. User-initiated conversations will still be treated as single-user conversations. So, what happens is that if a conversation is initiated by a bot and Enjo is actively participating in that conversation, Enjo will continue to respond even if a human user joins the thread later. In this scenario, the conversation will not be treated as escalated to a human agent. Next, we have the Group Channel Blocking Emoji setting. This setting can only be enabled if the Group Channel Response Mode is set to Always. So, if the Group Channel Response Mode is set to Only when mentioned, you won't be able to enable this setting. This setting, when enabled, allows you to configure an emoji so that if a conversation starts with a message containing that emoji, Enjo will not engage with the conversation. First, we'll change the Group Channel Response Mode to Only when mentioned and see how it works in Slack. Later, we'll switch it to Always and see how the Group Channel Blocking Emoji setting works with Enjo. Here we are in our Slack workspace. I'll go ahead and ask a question in this channel, and you'll notice that Enjo does not reply. This is because the Group Channel Response Mode is currently set to Only when mentioned, so Enjo will respond only when it is explicitly mentioned in the conversation. So here, we can see that I sent a message in the channel, and Enjo did not engage with it because the Group Channel Response Mode is set to Only when mentioned. Now, I'll mention Enjo and send the same message again. This time, we'll see that Enjo engages with the message and provides a response because it has been explicitly mentioned in the conversation. So, this is how you can use the Group Channel Response Mode setting to control when Enjo responds in group channels. Next, we'll see how the blocking emoji works when the channel response mode has been set to Always. We are back on our Enjo platform and we'll update the Group Channel Response Mode to Always. And we can see the blocking emoji has been configured as a loudspeaker emoji. So now, let's go back to our Slack workspace and test it out. The blocking emoji we configured was the loudspeaker emoji. What I'll do now is ask the same question again, but this time I'll add the loudspeaker emoji to the message. I've added the loudspeaker emoji to the message, and now I'll ask the same question. Since this emoji is configured as the blocking emoji, Enjo ignored the conversation and did not respond to it. Now, I'll go ahead and ask the same question again, but this time without the blocking emoji.
We'll see that Enjo engages with the conversation and provides a response based on the information available in the knowledge base.
So, this is how you can configure and test the advanced conversation behavior settings in Enjo and see how they work in Slack. Thank you.